Hey everybody, I'm Walter Cook and I am your mommy at the library here for Santa Fe Public Libraries. I'm going to tell you a story, but first I want to show you a mummy finger. Check this out. Got a box. Open the box. Look in the box. What do you see? Ooh, a mummy finger, complete with rubies. Do you like rubies? I do. You want me to show you how to come up with your own mummy finger? I'll show you. But first, I want to tell you a story. This is the story of Achmon. Achmon lived in ancient Egypt, and his job was to paint Queen Hatshepsut's chamber, her mummy chamber. One day he was painting along and painting along and painting along, and he got really hungry. So he looked for something to eat. Guess what he found? He found a scarab. Ron Weasley called them dung beetles in Harry Potter, but for our purposes, we'll call it a scarab. He ate one scarab, but he was still hungry. So he looked for something else to eat. He found a bowl full of grapes. He ate the whole bowl. He was still hungry. So he ate a barrel full of figs. He was still hungry. So he ate a whole boatload of coconuts. He was still hungry. So he ate a whole pyramid full of onions. Can you imagine what happened after that? Ooh, his tummy hurt so bad. He went home, he went to bed, and the next day he felt better. And when he went to go paint the Queen's chamber, when he got hungry, he had one nice loaf of Egyptian bread. It sure was good. Do you like mummy stories? Let me show you some mummy books that we have at the library. You can go online to the library's website and place holds on these books. Here's one. It's Scooby-Doo and the Mummies. Here's an eyewitness book called Mummy. Or Marvel Masters and Mummies by Paul Mason. Mummies by Jennifer Beisel. Animal Mummies. Golden Mummies. The Ancient Egyptian Mummies. Oh, here's a fiction book called Mummy Cat. Creepy and true mummy stories exposed. And here's Isabel Soto and Uncovering Mummies. And of course, Mummies in the Morning with the Magic Tree House, Jack and Annie. Those are just a few of the mummy books that we have. We also have lots of books about ancient Egypt and about lots of books about Egyptian hieroglyphics. Are you ready to learn about how to make your own mummy finger? Let me show you. Gotta hold it. Gotta make it realistic. Actually, I just found a box. You can find a box, any box that you want. I picked this box and I just put some duct tape on it. cut a hole in the bottom, put the lid on it, and put some duct tape on that. You can decorate your box however you want to. Paint it, spray paint it, tape paper on it, do whatever you want to. If you can't find a box, there's other things you can use. A bowl, just a plain old everyday paper bowl. And you can also use a little bit of red ink and decorate it up, or put some tattoos on your mummy finger. Just cut a hole in it. Or you can use a piece of paper, and if you just go online and look for origami boxes, there's lots and lots of origami boxes. Just follow their plans and make a box of your own. Cut the bottom out, put your mummy finger in it, put some coverings over it, and surprise your friends. Don't scare them too much. Next, I want to tell you about an upcoming program that we have coming here at the library. It'll be a live streaming program, and it's about Frank and Casey. They go and visit their uncle who is having a party, a Halloween party. And where is this part? The name of the program is Mummy at Mystery Mansion with Science Tellers. If you look below me, you'll see some instructions on where to click to see when you can watch this program. It'll be hosted by the library. It'll be a live streaming program, so you don't have to leave the comfort of your own home. Just gather up your friends and your family in front of your computer and watch Mummy at the Library. It's a nice science program. I think you'll really appreciate it. I wouldn't suggest that you make your own mummy, though. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you there, and have a great day. Ciao.